Are you ready to unlock the secrets of making money online in 2025? With the digital landscape evolving at lightning speed, there's never been a better time to dive into online opportunities. Whether you're looking for a side hustle, passive income streams, or a full-fledged online career, this guide is packed with the best and most effective ways to earn money from the comfort of your home. So, if you've been dreaming of financial freedom and a flexible lifestyle, stick around, because these methods could change your life. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more life-changing tips on making money, personal growth, and achieving your goals. Hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's get started. Freelancing and remote jobs. The gig economy is thriving in 2025, with platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TopTal offering endless opportunities. If you have skills like writing, graphic design, programming, or digital marketing, freelancing is a great way to earn a steady income. Remote jobs are also on the rise, with companies embracing flexible work setups. Websites like FlexJobs and We Work Remotely can help you find remote positions in various fields. Content creation. Love sharing ideas, stories, or skills? Content creation is the way to go. Start a blog, podcast, or YouTube channel to showcase your expertise. Once you build an audience, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, or merchandise sales. Pro tip: find a niche that you're passionate about and solve problems for your audience to grow faster. E-commerce and dropshipping. E-commerce is booming, and platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce make it easier than ever to start your online store. Dropshipping, where you sell products without holding inventory, is a low-risk option. Identify trending products, source them from reliable suppliers, and market them to your target audience. Online courses and ebooks. If you're an expert in a particular subject, why not teach others? Platforms like Teachable and Udemy allow you to create and sell courses online. Similarly, writing ebooks on popular topics and selling them on Amazon Kindle can be a lucrative passive income stream. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing remains one of the easiest ways to make money online. Partner with brands and promote their products through your blog, social media, or email list. You earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Use tools like ClickBank, Amazon Associates, and Share a Sale to get started. Investing in cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies continue to be a hot topic in 2025. While it's not without risks, investing in established coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, or exploring new projects with potential can be highly profitable. Educate yourself, stay updated on market trends, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Virtual assistant services. As businesses increasingly go digital, the demand for virtual assistants is skyrocketing. VAs handle tasks like managing emails, scheduling appointments, and social media management. If you're organized and tech-savvy, this could be a great way to earn money online. Stock photography and videos. If you have a knack for photography or videography, sell your work on platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images. Businesses and content creators are always looking for high-quality visuals, making this a great passive income opportunity. Print-on-demand services. Design custom t-shirts, mugs, or tote bags and sell them online without holding inventory. Print-on-demand platforms like Printful and Redbubble handle production, shipping, and customer service, leaving you free to focus on creating designs and marketing your products. 10. Becoming a YouTube creator. YouTube remains one of the most profitable platforms for content creators. Create videos on topics you're passionate about, from tutorials to vlogs, and grow your subscriber base. Once you reach YouTube's monetization requirements, you can earn through ads, memberships, and sponsorships. And there you have it, 10 incredible ways to make money online in 2025. Whether you're interested in freelancing, content creation, or e-commerce, there's something here for everyone. Which method are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making money online. See you in the next video.